on top here. All right, so we're on 610 problem solving, and we're going to model with math, right? Okay. Oh, as long as that works for you, that would be better. Okay. All right, so we see our friends Danny and Marta. They're outside. So you guys listen to the story, and then we'll do it together up here on the board, okay? Names are on? Names are on? Good. All right, so it says, are you ready? I'm going to play it here, and then I'm going to reread it again. But listen to the numbers that they tell you so you know what kind of equation we're going to make and what kind of picture to go along with it. You guys ready? Yeah. Okay, let's wake up. I know it's Monday. Here we go.
Daniel sees a group of 3 fluffy white clouds in the sky. Marta sees 1 gray cloud. How many clouds do they see in all? Draw a picture to show what is happening, and then write the equation to tell how many clouds in all. Explain how you know.
Did anybody already start putting in those numbers into that equation at the bottom as you were listening to it? So I'm going to read it one more time, just the story, and I want you to write the equation in. You ready? All right. Daniel sees a group of 3 fluffy white clouds. Marta sees 1 gray cloud. So how many clouds do they see in all? So what should my equation be here at the very bottom? What's my equation going to be? Oh, I wish I had more hands up because I know a lot of you know the answers, but I just need to make sure you're participating with me. Good. Good. More hands. Okay, Amelia, read me the equation.
3 plus 1 equals...
Very good. 3 plus 1. Those are the 2 numbers that they gave us, right? All right, so let's draw a quick picture to go with that. So above the 3, what are we going to draw? 3 counters. And you know what? And these are clouds. Clouds can be pretty simple to draw. So if you actually want to draw 3 fluffy white clouds, I'll let you do that today too. You just want to draw counters? That's okay too. All right, so we have 1, 2, and 3. 3 clouds. Otherwise, just draw 3 counters. That works too. You can just do 1, 2, and 3. That's fine as well. So how many are we going to draw above the 1? Just 1, right? All right, so 3 white fluffy clouds plus, this was supposed to be like a gray one, right? So maybe I'll color that one in. So 1 gray cloud. How many clouds are there all together, Grace? 4 clouds. Very good. All right, so let's read it together. Our equation's going to say, can we all read it with me? Ready? 3 plus 1 equals 4. Very good. All right. You guys got it? Okay, go ahead and lift and turn to the next page. We already kind of did this one for us. You see some fish there at the bottom, but we're going to go ahead and always check it because we want to make sure that they have it done right. All right, so we've got those fish in the fish bowl. Yeah, they did it for us, but we're always going to go back and we're going to check it. Because you never know. What if they made an oops? That would not be good, would it? Okay. All right, so listen to the story. Ready? To go along with this picture. It says Daniel sees 2 fish in one bowl and then 2 fish in another bowl. So how many fish does he see in all? Okay, so he has 2 fish in one bowl. Can you color those first 2 fish orange so we can see them a little better? Just go ahead and color them in orange. So the first 2 fish in the first bowl, color those 2 orange. Waiting for my paper to pop up some. Okay. And then we have 2 more fish in the next bowl. Let's color those 2 fish green. So I want 2 orange and then 2 green, just so they're a little easier to see. Okay? And then get your pencil back in your hand so we can finish and write that equation to match our picture. Come on, internet. Okay. All right, so let's get the pencil in our hand. And let's go ahead and we're going to say and trace this equation to match it. Oh, there we go. Now I'm ready. Okay. Everyone's ready? Let's say it nice and loud together. Here we go. So the first fishbowl has 2. And look, there they have the plus sign for us. How nice is that? 2 plus, how many are in the second fishbowl? 2 equals how many fish altogether? 4. So they are correct. So if we go back and check our work, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 fish. So again, that's a good way to go back and make sure that your equation is correct and it matches your picture. Thumbs up, we're good? Okay, all right, look at it. Take this paper, watch, turn the whole thing, flip it. Flip it, flip the whole thing. All right, so again, we're gonna use counters and we're gonna write an equation, okay? I'm gonna have you guys come up here and help me with this. You ready? But listen first. You write your equation first. If I see that you're doing the work at your seat, then I can call you up to help me up here, right? Okay, so here's the first one. We're gonna be right here in number 2, okay? Listen. Julie sees 5 stones in one pail. 5 stones in one pail. And 3 stones in another pail. We're writing this equation, right? You're up in number 2. So one more time. Julie sees 5 stones in one pail. And then she sees 3 stones in another pail. How many stones does she see all together? I said 5 and then 3. 5 and then 3. Draw me counters to match your equation so you can tell me how many stones there are in all. Go ahead and start writing the equation, but draw me the counters because I want to know what the sum is. Show me what the sum is at the end, and then I can have you come up here and do the whole thing for us. But the whole thing has to be done. Your equation, your counters, and the sum. Good. All right, Audra, go on up. Do it for us. Let's see if she has it all correct. Okay, where's your counters? Come here. You need to be doing this. Draw your counters and then tell me how many there are all together. All right, tell me how many there are all together. Okay, Audra, just the marker's touching, not your hand. Just the pen touches the board. Okay, how many were in the second pail, Audra? Go back and look at your paper.
3.
Okay, let's write it. There we go. Now draw counters to match. Okay, how many are there all together? I want to see everyone solving it before she gets it up there because I want to make sure you can compare it. You gotta go back and count. Yep, you count. Tell me how many. Do you write the number? The sum? Good. And pencils down when you guys are done. You need to count. How many are there all together? There's already 5. 5. What comes after 5? Keep going. What comes after 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's how many together. What does it look like? Okay, what does an 8 look like? We need to start knowing without using this, right? Okay, when this little thing up here says. How many of you got that answer? Very good, thank you, Audra. Okay, so let's all read this equation together, everyone. Here we go. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Excellent. Okay, let's go over to number 3. Here's my next story. You guys are writing it first and doing the whole thing on your own. If I see it's down in your seat, I can call you up here and share with the class. All right. A hen laid 2 eggs one day and 3 eggs another day. Got it. Okay, so I'll make sure I don't do that. Okay, thank you. Okay. Oh, right. Okay, I'll make sure I do that. And right now, can you let me know like how many? Okay, how many days like? Thanks so much. Okay, you got it out? All right, Grace, come on up. 12 has that exact equation and picture. Awesome, Grace. Ooh, very good, I got you. Okay, so let's read it together. You should have 2 plus 3 equals 5. Awesome. All right, let's move down here to number 4. Here's my story. Maria threw a baseball 5 times. 5 times in 1 inning. Let's write the numbers. Let's go. She wrote it 5 times in 1 inning and 2 times in the next inning. How many times did she throw the baseball in all? So write your equation, draw your picture, and solve it. Solve the whole thing. 5 and then 2. Yep. Solve. Draw me a picture. All right, grade's going up. All right, so 5 times in 1 inning, 2 times in the next inning. How many times did he throw that baseball? Okay, draw your picture to match, remember. Well, where's my picture? It'll help you solve it a lot faster. Okay, go ahead. Very good. How many of you guys have that? Awesome. Excellent. Good. Thank you, Brandon. Sorry, I figured it'd be figured. Okay, you guys ready for the last one?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Zach scored 2 goals during a soccer game. Ooh, that's really good. 2 goals in a soccer game. Grace, 2 goals in a soccer game. And then he scored 4 more goals during another soccer game. Wow, he's really good. So 2 goals in his first game and 4 goals in his second game. All right, how many goals did he score all together? Where's my counters? Give me my, very good. All right, go ahead. Way to get it done right away. Wow. You guys are getting better. You guys are getting quicker. Good. And you don't even have to write in the plus and equal sign, right, this time, so it makes it even faster? Okay. Awesome. See those counters? Ooh. Yep. And draw those counters to show. Okay. All right. What do you guys think? Thumbs up? You guys did the same thing? Awesome. Thank you, Elena. All right, let's all read together. Our question should be 2 plus 4 equals 6. Excellent. Okay. Lift and turn to the back. All right. Yeah, we've got a lot of things going on here, don't we? Okay. So listen to this problem. We'll do it together, guys, on the board, but just listen up here. All right, here we go. Guys ready? Okay. It says there are 2 rabbits in a hole. All right, so here's the 2 to represent the 2 rabbits, and look, here are the 2 rabbits. Okay? But then it says there are the same number of rabbits come and join them. So how many rabbits are there in all? So listen to that one more time. So we're just going to focus on this equation right here. There are 2 rabbits in a hole. The same number of rabbits come to join them. So what number is going to go here? If I said there's 2 rabbits already in the hole and then the same number, that same number is going to come and join them. Can you hold up on your fingers? What number should go here? Okay, I see some 2s, I see 3s, I see 1s. Okay, what's the same number as 2? 2. It says the same number. So 2 plus 2 2 is what we're gonna write. They said the same number is gonna come join them in the hole. So they have 2 rabbits, and guess what? 2 more are gonna come join them. All right, so how many rabbits are there in all? So let's draw quick counters to go with it. Ready? So we have 1, 2. So what number is gonna go above this 2? 2 again. 1, 2. So how many is that all together, Olivia? 4. Very good. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. All right. So it says, yeah, what can you answer? How many rabbits joined the group? So, okay, so we had 2 rabbits come and join the group. So now what they're gonna do, it says, Emily says that the answer is 3 rabbits. Is she right? No, we already know that it was the same number, so this 2 plus 1 is not gonna be correct, right? She says that it's only 1 extra rabbit, but 1 is not the same as 2, is it? Okay, so 2 plus 1 is only 3, right? We see 1, 2, 3 rabbits. So that's the number. She says it should be this answer, right? But we know that 2 is not the, 2 is the same number as 2, not 2 plus 1. All right? And then it says use cubes, draw pictures, or use numbers to show how many rabbits there are, and I'll write another equation. So over here, we're just going to do the same thing. Okay? So it says, again, there's 2 rabbits that come and join them, right? So why don't we, over here, do you guys want to, rabbits is kind of hard to draw, isn't it? But what if we did this? Go ahead and draw rabbit. Let's draw rabbit heads. So here's 2 rabbits. Here's 2 rabbits. Okay, let's draw 2 rabbits. And we'll leave those ones white. We'll have 2 white rabbits. So it says to draw an extra picture to go with it. And I'm going to put that in my first blank. 2. So there's 2 white rabbits. And then again, let's do this instead. How about we have 2 rabbits, and I'm going to change the story a little bit. And they each go eat a carrot. So if each of them eats a carrot, how many carrots do we need? 2, right? So each of them gets a carrot. So I'm going to draw 1 carrot over here. Here's 1 carrot for that rabbit. And then I'm going to draw another carrot over here for that rabbit. So I've got 2 rabbits plus my 2 carrots, right? So each of my rabbits gets a carrot to match for my 2 rabbits. So that's another way to show the same equation, right? So what's the sum to my equation? Who could read that equation and tell me what it's going to be? Francesca.
2 plus 2
Equals 4. So there's my 4 again. So it's another way to show 2 plus 2 in a different way. We have our 2 rabbits, okay, and then we're going to add, we'll give them 2 carrots this time instead. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Thumbs up, everyone's got that? Awesome. Okay. All right, guys. All right, we'll stop right there. All right, where's your equation?